Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually, what we do on this channel is all about savings, buying items, things at discounted prices. Okay, so or try to get free stuff if we can. So in this video, I'll be talking about the T-Mobile that are they giving away a free line, and I think I tried it myself, but they stated that my plan is not eligible for it. So, and but we're gonna go over the criteria, and it tells you exactly, depending on the plan that you have, which will qualify or not. So your free lines here. Here are the details here. Must be on a magenta biller. Must have two plus lines. Uh, Bring your own device only, not stackable with the device promo. Line will be recurring credit. Uh, DCC charge basically means like device connects something charge. So in other words, they get it activated, you have to pay $35. And the terms here is 12-month term requirement. So meaning you cannot cancel the lines within the 12 months or the credit will be discontinued. Okay. So Um, I'm a Sprint customer, but I think recently, about what, like 5 days ago, when I logged into my account with Sprint, and I got a pop-up saying that I need to create an account, and then with T-Mobile, which I did, and it migrated to T-Mobile. So long story short, when I migrated, I have a Kickstarter, which is a $15 unlimited plan that Sprint once had, and also I got a free line from Sprint as well. It's a $35 plan. Uh, Both got converted, migrated to T-Mobile, and all of a sudden now on my account under the T-Mobile billing system, they no longer give me the $35 credit forever, and now I got to pay for it. So I chatted with T-Force and I called Sprint, and they are working on getting that credit back. So, but as far as for these promotions, guys, you might want to check, or you might want to call the number, or go online, or chat, or even use T4s on Messenger and see if you guys qualify. So just make sure these are the requirements. So you never know, you might get a free line for as a backup or for one of your kids. Okay, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, please help out by giving a thumbs up. And if the channels have helped you guys out with the with saving money or anything at all, feel free to subscribe. It's gonna help out a lot. We currently have about 2,800 subscribers. My goal is reaching 10,000. Okay, so other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.